Hello, dear students. I welcome you to today's class. Um, I know it very well that your unit tests are going on. So I wish you all the best for your unit tests. And the last video that we have done and the place where we have stopped, there we have discussed about some of the major crops of India. Got it, children? So just a brief recap I'll be giving you about the previous discussions that we have done. The major crops that are grown in India. India being an agricultural country, children, we need to understand that what is the major occupation, the major occupation of the people from the very ancient times has been agriculture. People have been involved into it, but at some points, at some places, it has happened that things are not very organized. Actually, what happens is that sometimes we do face the farmers, they do face certain problems due to which they have to commit suicide or these kind of things are there. We come to know about such news. लेकिन क्या होता है कि just because of little bit of management, lack in management, it happens that our Indian farmers fall prey to some problems. They get entangled into the clutches of the moneylenders in the village areas, especially. We find some of the people who are there. A lot of social obligations are there on the farmers. We have already discussed about it that the farmers who are there in the village areas who are staying, they khali agriculture nahi, they are involved into so many activities where at times they have to take a lot of money. They have to take money from the money lenders who are there in the village areas. These money lenders trap the farmers and they make them pay certain money which is definitely not required by the farmers. Farmers, illiterate people, innocent people, they easily get trapped into the hands of the moneylender. I just wanted to tell that. And that is the place where agriculture is also unable to help them. Jitna input, agriculture mein whatever is the input, output is not as such where they are able to sustain themselves as well as repay the loans that they have taken from the farmers. Got it? So what happens here is we are just discussing about the major crops that have been grown. Previous class mein, previous video mein, we have discussed about the growing criterias of major crops. Major crops में हमने कौन सा crops के बारे में बात की थी, children? Major crops, we have talked about rice, wheat, और क्या था? Rice, wheat, millets. Yes, rice, wheat, millets. All the I have made the table. We have discussed it in the tabular form. Got it? So to make the things more easy for you, we discussed it in the tabular form. Millets may be discussed about jowar, bajra, ragi. All these are the important millet crops that are grown in India. Then we have discussed about maize. Another important, lot of maize is grown in India. So we have also discussed about maize, and then we have discussed about the pulses. ये तो मैं भूल ही गई थी. Pulses, very important. बहुत ज़्यादा we consume lot of pulse. We grow lot of pulse, but then we are the consumers also a lot of pulse. Got it? Isme one thing that we need to understand is the things that we have discussed is which crop is grown in which season. Rabi and Kharif. I'm talking about Rabi and Kharif. The growth conditions, the temperature, the rainfall, and then what we have done is the major states which are growing these crops. Got it? So the states which are growing these crops, usme you have to be very clear. As if the question is asked for 1 mark, because if you have to go above the edge, 98 and above agar jana hai, so you have to be very particular about certain criterias and conditions of growing these crops. Got it? ये अगर आप ठीक से कर लोगे, if you do this properly, things are going to be very simple and very easy for you. Got it? So you can do it. I know it very well. You all will learn it. कुछ चीजें याद करनी पड़ेंगी. Got it? There is no way out. So you have to, we have to do this. You can do it. Just make your own table. वो जो tabular form में the explanation that I have done in the last video. I mean, 4th वाला जो video था. Today I'm just going ahead. But here I am not taking the tabular form because in that there were lot of crops were there. Lot of grains were there, which were the subsistence crops, as well as the people have been using it for their own consumption. इसको हमने किया था. We have done it on a very large scale. काफी अच्छे से मैंने explain करने की कोशिश की थी. But today what we are doing is we will be talking about food crops only, but other than grain. Got it? हम बात तो करेंगे food crops के बारे में. Please try to understand. We have talked about major crops. Major crops were grains. Now we are talking about food crops other than grain. एक तो ग्रेन हो गया, दाल चावल, ओके, गेहूं, ये सारा हो गया. Apart from this, what are the other consumable food things that we consume? Of course, we don't do it on a very large scale on a daily basis, but yes, we are growing these crops for consumption. Okay, so let's understand. सबसे पहले food crop other than grain, which is very important in India, is sugarcane. Okay. सबसे पहले try to understand कि sugarcane is a crop which needs lot of input. You know, these crops are also called as cash crops. Are you understanding? थोड़ा सा इसमें आपको कैश चूंकि मिलता है, you are consuming it, but then इसमें इनपुट ज्यादा है. Money involvement is more and labor intensive work is more. तो everybody can't afford to. दाल चावल तो कोई भी छोटे से छोटा फार्मर भी दाल चावल की खेती कर लेता है, बट फॉर these kind of food crops थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके की मेहनत लगती है. Got it? This is what I wanted to explain. So sugarcane में सबसे पहले try to understand it is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. Tropical and a subtropical crop. Now what is tropical and subtropical? It is majorly grown in the tropical region. Tropical, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, two top tropics we have. थोड़ा सा वो the climate, the equator में the division of earth into different parts, वो थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. You have to remember that. And it is tropical region में ही sugarcane is grown. So tropical and subtropical crop it is, and it is grown well in hot and humid climate. Grown in थोड़ा सा इसमें गरम थोड़ी गर्मी चाहिए होती है. Hot and humid climate. Okay. So when it is grown in hot and humid climate, so obviously you can understand the temperature that is required. Temperature that is required here is 21 degree to 27 degree Celsius. 21 degree to 27 degree Celsius is the temperature. Again, I'm telling you, I have not made it in tabular form because इसको आप in general also if you are able to do it in this form जिस तरह से हम discuss कर रहे हैं तो it would be simple for you. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसको याद करने में, but then you have to remember these things. Okay, then rainfall 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Rainfall is 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Got it? तो इरिगेशन वेयर लो रेनफॉल इज देयर वहां पे भी इरिगेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. लॉट ऑफ फार्मिंग वर्क इज देयर that needs to be done properly. तो lot of variety of soils it can be grown on. हर तरीके के soil पे grow कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक particular kind of a soil is there, but it needs manual labor. काफी सारा इसमें labor intensive है. Manual labor is required. Right from sowing to harvesting. जिस समय हम शुगरकेन सो करते हैं मतलब ग्रो करते हैं उस समय से लेके कटाई तक till harvesting lot of labor is required. Sowing to harvesting. Got it? So this kind of a labor intensive work is there. I told you कि lot of input that is there. इसमें काफी सारा आपको पैसा लगता है which is required. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. Achievement, one of the achievement. So India second largest producer of sugarcane. Okay. First कौन है? First is Brazil. Okay. So you can understand it is the second largest producer of sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane. Got it? तो किस किस काम के लिए for what purpose are we using this sugarcane? Of course, it is the main source of good sugarcane. सबसे पहले तो चीनी, sugar. And then good, jaggery. In English we call it as jaggery. Then khansari, molasses. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसमें कि we are using this sugarcane. Got it? Major sugarcane producing states you need to know, you need to remember. पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया है. You need to remember about these states. So let's talk about the states which are growing sugarcane. On a large scale we are growing sugarcane. कौन कौन से states हैं? So उत्तर प्रदेश, okay, please remember the name of the states. मैं बार बार I am reiterating because when examinations are there तो उसमें states जब पूछे जाएंगे तो you need to know the states very properly. उत्तर प्रदेश, okay, then you have Maharashtra, Karnataka, okay, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, a lot of places because you know a typical type of a soil is not needed to grow sugarcane. हाँ, तेलंगाना, बिहार, पंजाब, हरियाणा. Now what happens is because the farmers who are involved in growing these sugarcane, farmers those who have given lot of input, काफी सारा पैसा जिन्होंने invest किया हुआ है, they make it sure that output okay and sugarcane is always in demand. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं है that चीनी की कहीं पे भी कमी हो या the sugar industries need sugarcane in abundance. तो जो शुगर केन में पैसे जो इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, दे नो इट वेरी वेल दैट दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग देयर मनी इन अ प्रॉपर प्लेस, सही जगह पे वो मनी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. सो दे आर वेरी इंश्योर्ड कि आउटपुट तो सही रहेगा ही रहेगा. there will be proper output for these money that they are investing in growing sugarcane. Next children, एक तो ये हो गया other than grain, the food crops that we are discussing other than grain. एक तो sugarcane हो गया. Next, that is highly consumable in India is oil seeds. हम तेल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा करते हैं. Got it? Oil seeds that are there, we grow it in abundance. And India 2015, it was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world. Second largest producer of groundnut. मूंगफली, yes. काफी सारा. Who is the first largest? China. We have, in today's time, we have lot of competition with China. Whatever is being grown, whatever we are doing, जितना कुछ भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, उसमें competing with China is one of the real challenges in front of India nowadays. So groundnut we are growing on a very large scale. बहुत. And I told you that oil seeds that are there, we are growing on a very large scale. We are consumers also of oil. मेरे को लगता है कि in the Asian countries, most of the Asian countries, oil is used. बहुत ज्यादा तेल का इस्तेमाल होता है for cooking. Cooking medium के लिए oil is used. तो after China we are there. Then rapeseed production. Rapeseed, you know that अरंडी का तेल जो होता है. हाँ, rapeseed. Please try to understand. Rapeseed production. Got it? We are the third largest producers in the world after Canada and China. Third largest. These are all the datas that we are talking about. These are all the datas of 2015. Got it? 2015 का ये डेटा है. लेटेस्ट अभी 2020 में हो सकता है some datas might have changed, but then this is what we know. Canada and China के बाद China again, I mean top 3 में China is most of the time there. Actually what happens is now, देखो, try to understand that in China it is a country where people are very sincere and very labor intensive. बहुत हर तरीके का काम वो करने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं. तो that's why what happens is कि China is leading in many of the food production. काफी सारे food production में हम China को देख रहे हैं कि it is leading, it is at the top. तो कैसे हाउ डू वी सरपास इसको आगे हम कैसे, बिकॉज सेकंड पे आ रहे हैं बार बार. एवरी टाइम वी आर सीइंग दैट वी आर कमिंग इन द सेकंड पोजीशन. थोड़ा सा विथ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क वी कैन सरपास दिस डेटा. हम चाइना को पीछे छोड़ सकते हैं. दैट इज देयर. तो it just came to my mind, so I was sharing it with you. Then other oil seeds that are produced in India, बहुत सारे हैं, so many are there. We have to understand the oil seeds that are being produced in India. It is groundnut or mustard, coconut, सरसों का तेल, ठीक है, नारियल का तेल. In the South India, the people highly consumable oil is coconut. Got it? Groundnut, mustard, coconut. Sesame oil is also very famous. तिल का तेल, sesame oil. Okay. Then we have the castor oil, cotton seeds. हाँ, cotton seeds का भी ऑयल बनता है, but it is used for I think some from medicinal purpose. बहुत ज्यादा आइडिया नहीं है मुझे, but उसमें cotton seeds से भी some oil is extracted. Then we have the linseed. and then we have the sunflower. सोयाबीन ऑयल इज वेरी हैवी, थोड़ा जो है ना सोयाबीन का ऑयल जो है दैट इज वेरी हैवी एट टाइम्स वी फाइंड इट. तो सनफ्लावर ऑयल जो है वो भी मेनी पीपल कंज्यूम सनफ्लावर ऑयल ऑन अ वेरी लार्ज स्केल. तो ये जितने भी ऑयल हैं मोस्ट ऑफ दीज आर एडिबल. क्या यूज है इसका? कुकिंग मीडियम की तरह, लेकिन सम ऑफ देम आर यूज्ड एज रॉ मटेरियल ऑल्सो. All these oil that is being produced, some are used as consume of course for food crop है, कुकिंग के लिए हम इसको यूज करते हैं. लेकिन कुछ जो है दैट इज यूज्ड एज रॉ मटेरियल इन सम ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज में भी बहुत सारा तेल का जरूरत पड़ता है. यू नो बहुत सिंपल सा, आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. मशीन में डालने वाला तेल, वो भी तो तेल ही है, दैट इज ऑल्सो ऑयल. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस. तो वो रॉ मटेरियल के तरीके, या प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सोप, कॉस्मेटिक, कहते हैं ना चंदन का तेल है, इसमें आपको तेल के गुण मिलेंगे, नीम का ऑयल एंड ऑल दैट. तो दीज ऑयल्स दैट आर देयर, हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट द फूड को ऑयल्स दैट वी आर कंज्यूमिंग. अदर देन फूड ऑयल्स ऑल्सो देयर आर अदर ऑयल्स दैट आर बीइंग प्रोड्यूस्ड. उसके बाद वी विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आर द ग्रोथ कंडीशंस ऑफ दीज ऑयल सीड्स. सम ऑफ द ऑयल सीड्स दैट आर प्रोड्यूस्ड, हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज ग्राउंडनट. ग्राउंडनट क्या है? इट इज अ खरीफ क्रॉप. ओके, and accounts for about half of the major oil seeds. Most of the people consume groundnut oil. And which is the largest groundnut producing state in India? It is Gujarat. Gujarat is largest groundnut producing area. And इसके बाद the next which are growing groundnut on a very large scale, the states I'm talking about is Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. Now again, this is the data of 2015. Got it? All this data that you are seeing, ये जितना भी data आप देख रहे हो, this is all the data that is there in 2015. तो ये था राजस्थान एंड तमिलनाडु. उसके बाद the next one that we are talking about, the next oil seed that we are talking about is linseed and mustard. Linseed and mustard. Please understand, mustard oil is used on a very large scale with a special reference to Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. ठीक है, काफी सारा mustard oil is used in these states. तो linseed and mustard, these are the rabi crops. Try to understand that growing these oil seeds, ये जो oil seeds हम grow कर रहे हैं, इसमें भी growing seasons are different. Rabi season and kharif season. Got it? So we have to understand it in that manner only. Like linseed and mustard, these are rabi crops. Sesame, til की बात कर रही हूँ. Sesame is a kharif crop in north में kharif season में it is grown, and south में it is grown in the rabi season. Got it? तो ऐसा भी है कि कुछ क्रॉप्स हम इधर जिस मौसम में ग्रो कर रहे हैं, उधर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. इधर एंड उधर का मतलब है नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. Got it? So sesame, it is kharif in north, मतलब north में it is grown in the kharif season, and rabi crop in south. South में it is grown in the rabi season. Got it? So rabi crop and kharif crop, that is there. वो अलग अलग दिशा में अलग अलग टाइम पे ग्रो हो रहा है. Another crop that we are talking about is castor seed. Castor seed is grown both as rabi and the kharif crop. Castor seed as rabi and kharif crop. I hope you can see. Yeah. So the crops, different seasons and different times when these crops are grown, we need to understand that. And oil seeds which are used on a very large scale, इतने large scale पे हम oil seeds का use कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे, किस state में कौन सा oil grow हो रहा है, we need to understand that. Groundnut, whenever we talk about, you need to mention Gujarat, and Gujarat is still maintaining that place of growing the largest. Gujarat में सबसे ज़्यादा groundnut is still grown. Okay, so Gujarat is a country where a state where it is grown on a high scale, large scale. Okay, then we have the linseed and mustard. Mustard, so you all know how it is highly consumable in the North India, especially UP and Bihar. Coconut oil, देखो यहाँ पे coconut oil is not mentioned, but coconut oil it is used on a very large scale in South India. हम देखो अगर नारियल के तेल में खाना बनाएंगे, we are unable to eat it. Got it? So these were some of the major features. I'll just show you some major points here. यहाँ पे हम दिखाएंगे. इसके बाद अनदर फूड क्रॉप विच इज नॉट वेरी मतलब हम कंज्यूम नहीं करते हैं बट वी ग्रो ऑन अ वेरी लार्ज स्केल. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट टी एंड कॉफी. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टी एंड कॉफी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So children, just now we have completed this topic, sugar and oil seeds. We discussed about two crops. फूड क्रॉप पहले तो हमने ग्रेन्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया था. आई हैव शोन यू सम मैप्स ऑल्सो इन दैट. उसमें मुझे मैप वर्क दिखाना था आपको, बिकॉज मैप वर्क इसलिए इम्पॉर्टेंट था बिकॉज इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर बोर्ड्स वेयर इट वुड बी कमिंग फ्रॉम द राइस एंड मेज मेजर प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स. वो स्टेट्स मुझे आपको दिखाने थे. दैट्स वाई आई हैव शोन यू द मैप. यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ मतलब मेजरली आई हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ये सारा कुछ है आपके इसमें. एंड ये आपको दीज डेटाज दैट आर देयर ना, ये आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये समझो कि मैं आपको बुक में अगर कोई चीज़ दिखा रही हूँ, दैट मीन्स आई एम जस्ट हाईलाइटिंग दोज थिंग्स इन द बुक, सो दैट बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली यू विल बी रिवाइजिंग फ्रॉम द बुक ओनली ना. बार बार वीडियो थोड़ी देखोगे. सो व्हेन यू आर रिवाइजिंग फ्रॉम द बुक यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर कि हाँ ये वाले जगह मैम ने पॉइंट किया है और ये वाला पॉइंट स्पेशली करना है. ठीक है. सो द वंस दैट आई एम अंडरलाइनिंग एंड द वंस दैट आई एम पॉइंटिंग इट आउट, प्लीज बी श्योर दैट यू हैव टू डू इट. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? आप करोगे भी, अपने मन से भी कर सकते हो, ऐसी बात नहीं है. बट देन आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि इट्स माई ड्यूटी दैट आई शो इट टू यू इन द बुक. एक तो शुगर केन का ये था, ग्रोइंग सीजन एंड ऑल दैट. दूसरा द स्टेट्स वेयर इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. मेक योर ओन नोट्स. विच स्टेट वॉट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अबंडेंस, क्या चीज़ प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, इसका अपना नोट्स बना लेना. थिंग्स विल बिकम ईजी फॉर यू. आपके लिए ही आराम होगा. गॉट इट? तो आप देख लेना इसको आप किस तरह करते हो, हाउ डू यू सॉर्ट इट आउट. एंड जस्ट चेक इट आउट दैट इट इज़ डन इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर. अगर आप अपने नोट्स बना के और अपने अगर लिस्ट बनाओगे ना, इट वुड बी ईजी. सीड्स में मैंने आपको बताया था, आपको ईयर याद रखना है. ओके. देन लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर, अभी ये याद रखना दैट इफ़ यू आर मैंशनिंग दैट इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ ऑयल सीड्स, ग्राउंडनट, रेप सीड प्रोडक्शन जैसे दिया हुआ है कनाडा एंड चाइना में, तो 2015 ज़रूर मेंशन करना कि आपको ऐसा नहीं हो ना, यू आर मेंशनिंग द डाटा ऑफ 2015. यू नीड टू बी वेरी श्योर ऑन दैट. वो अगर मेंशन नहीं करोगे तो योर आंसर रिमेन्स इनकम्प्लीट. आपका आंसर इनकम्प्लीट हो जाएगा. तो वो मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ. आप इस चीज़ को ज़रूर मेंशन करना कि जो डाटा आप दे रहे हो दैट डाटा इज़ फ्रॉम 2015. गॉट इट? Another is the oil seeds that are produced. ये आप देख लेना इसको एक बार. And then खरीफ एंड रबी, हर जगह खरीफ एंड रबी is given. तो उसके ऊपर आपको थोड़ा सा अलग से स्ट्रेस करना पड़ेगा. लाइक हाउ कम दे हैव मेंशन अबाउट रबी एंड खरीफ. क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो वो पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं, क्या चीज़ें बताना चाह रहे हैं, कौन सा रबी में हो रहा है, कौन सा खरीफ में हो रहा है. आई मीन द सीजन दैट इट इज़ ग्रोन इन. उसके बाद शुगर केन की फोटोग्राफ्स है यहाँ पे, ग्राउंड नट की फोटोग्राफ्स आप देख लो, सनफ्लावर एंड देन मस्टर्ड. गॉट इट. और भी पिक्चर्स हैं, वी विल बी सीइंग इट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. आई विल बी शोइंग इट टू यू. But please try to understand the edible oils which are used as the cooking medium producer. Got it children? ये आपको समझना, ये आपको इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So please do that. And next class में we will be discussing about tea and coffee. Okay children? Thank you so much and all the best to you.